No, 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 no. Don't make your child apologize. Do this instead. And I'm not saying to not teach them positive and meaningful repair. I'm not saying to not teach them to apologize. I'm saying to not make them. Because who likes to receive an empty apology? I don't like it, and I'm sure you don't like it either. And children don't like it. So when we make our children apologize, it won't sound genuine to anyone, and the child who's receiving the apology will feel it. And your child, when they are forced to apologize, they're not only going to learn to deliver empty apologies, but they're going to feel that you are with the other child, and it's going to increase the feelings, the rivalry, and the aggression towards the other child. So on this video, I'm going to give you 5 steps to teach children how to make meaningful repairs without forcing them to apologize. After this video, your children are going to start naturally delivering apologies without you having to force them. Hello, my name is Marcela Collier. I am a certified parenting coach and owner of HIC Parenting Education Agency. My team of coaches and I have helped 14,151 customers and clients through our courses, Secure Parent Collective membership, Parenting with Understanding coaching program, become secure parents, and raise emotionally healthy children. If you want to raise an emotionally healthy child and become a secure parent, this is the place where you subscribe, follow us at High Impact Club. Okay, so let's talk about how to teach our children to make meaningful repairs instead of forcing them to apologize. Number 1, if children are escalated, if they are in their aggression energy, in their aggressive energy, don't work on repair yet, because you need your prefrontal cortex to use empathy. And children, they are not in their logical thinking mind when they are angry. So we need to take them from survival brain back to emotional engagement so they can make meaningful repairs from the heart. For this, use co-regulation. You can use my breathing exercises tools. This is a free downloadable for you to help your children calm down back to ground zero so they're ready to learn meaningful repair. You can go to hicparenting.com, or I'm going to link it up in the description. Number 2, once they are calm, then help them translate and communicate with each other. Because if they got in conflict in the first place, they were not listening to each other's feelings, to each other's needs. So you basically become a translator of feelings and needs. So what do you want, Maria? I wanted to play with the toy, but Jose pushed me down. Okay, what do you want, Jose? Maria was on my way. I was taking the Lego truck across the room, and she came on my way. Okay, so I see, you translate. I see that you wanted to cross the room with the Lego truck. And Maria, I see that you wanted to play with the Lego truck. So now they are clear about their intentions, about their needs, and then you talk about their feelings. When you push Maria down, she feels sad and hurt. And Maria, when you got on Jose's way, he felt frustrated. So both kids see each other's feelings. Then you move on to step number 3, which is helping them make a meaningful repair with each other. So even if we saw Jose pushing Maria down and we're like, okay, he's the responsible, Maria has a little responsibility too. So the whole responsibility doesn't fall on one child. It's usually both of them. Meaningful repair is basically asking each one of them how we can make things better with blank. How can we make things better with Maria? How can we make things better with Jose? Give them ideas if they don't have ideas, but the best ideas are the ones that come from them, because they are invested. They are invested in their own ideas, and they will follow it from their heart. Number 4, sometimes they don't want to do the repair, or you start doing the repair process and then they get frustrated and angry again. This is very normal. So number 5, if the feelings escalate again and they start yelling at each other again, then you go back to step 1, which is co-regulation, calming down, so you can go back to the step where you were at. And the last step, number 5, is discipline. Discipline is not about getting Jose in trouble for pushing down Maria, or getting Maria in trouble for being on Jose's way or whatnot, whatever she did. It's about developing the skills that were lacking at that moment to be successful. So in this case, maybe the skills were communication skills in Jose, so he's able to communicate his needs to Maria. Hey, you're on my way, please back off, instead of pushing her down. And for Maria, the skills might be the skill of patience, the skill of sharing, the skill of teamwork, the skill of asking for her turn. And this is discipline. For this, there is a 3-step framework that I teach in my upcoming workshop on May 29th. If this is already in the, past for you, if this already passed for you, May 29, 2024, you can purchase the replay for just $7. But basically, I'm going to walk you through the 3-step method to correct any behavior of any child with ease. By number 1, understanding their needs, and number 2, knowing how to develop these skills so the behaviors are corrected the long run. So you are not dealing with the same thing 10 minutes later, because it gets really exhausting. So if you want things to get a lot easier between your kids, then I encourage you to join me for this upcoming workshop. I'm going to be there live, guiding you directly, answering your questions as well. So to register, all you have to do is go to hicparenting.com, or I'm going to leave as a link in the description, or go to the link in my bio and my socials at High Impact Club. Conclusion, instead of forcing an apology, empower your children to repair the relationship. Once they feel that they're repairing the relationship, the apology is a byproduct of it. It comes natural, it is organic, and you can prompt it as well, but it will feel genuine. I'm very curious, what is one area that you can use this process with your kids? Let me know in the comments. And remember that it only takes understanding of yourself and of your children's needs to transform your parenting. That's Parenting with Understanding, and I'll see you next time. Bye.